This is an unboxing video which is a very peculiar piece of product. The brand name is ECOVACS. I do not tell you that this is very useful to your home, but I will give you a very good demo, and after watching the demo you decide whether this is essential to your home or not. Few of you may know this brand name, but for those who don't know what it is, I will break it down. I will open this box and you just watch it what it is. This is its user manual, and multiple languages are there, and also warranty card is also inside this. Warranty is available for 1 year. I will open the rest of the things. This is the thing that we have bought. This is actually a cleaning robot, that is vacuum cleaning robot, more precisely automatic vacuum cleaning robot. My friend has this similar thing and its battery was gone, so he gave that to me for fixing its battery. After fixing it, I cleaned all my rooms for 2 days and was inspired by its usage. All my floors were perfectly clean from dust, even from minute dust particles. I have a vacuum cleaner with me, but I have to manually spend that time for cleaning it. But by using this, we can just switch on the device and just forget that. I will come back to it with more details. We have to do some initial steps before starting this device. We have to fix the brushes, we have to fix the docking station, that is charging station, and so on. Even you have to set up your mobile application for controlling this device through your mobile phone. Mobile app for both Android and iPhones are available. I will also show you the bottom of this robot. This is a very marvelous piece of technology. This robot contains so many sensors, and this is the main brush. Through this the dust particles are sucked inside. This is the forward and backward wheel, and it has some shock absorber or spring action. The use of this spring action is if there is any obstacles with a small height, and this robot will just roll over it and clean everything. This is the roller that you have already seen in some toy cars. When the toy car hits somewhere, it automatically come back and go in different direction. Same thing is happening here. When the robot is hitting on somewhere, it will just go backward and go to another direction. As I told earlier, this robot has a lot of sensors. Collision sensors are there, obstacle sensors are there, and we have to fix some more things in this robot. There are 2 brushes we need to fit on here and here. Both are having different color. One is having red and the other one is having green. I don't know why these 2 colors, I'm not quite sure. This is the brush. It is called front wheel brush, and we have to fix it there. And one more thing is there, on pair they are giving along with this product. We have to fix the green on the green slot and red to the red slot. This is the docking station. I will do one thing. I will show you what are the things coming along with this product. I will keep the robot here like this, and will show you the docking station. Docking station means a charging station. The robot will automatically move to the docking station and will charge as its own. We don't need to place the robot on top of the docking station for charging. These are the contacts or terminals for charging. So there is no worry about the polarity change, that is positive and negative change. It will automatically be in one direction only. This is one of the advantage of using this kind of cleaning robot. When the battery is becoming low, the robot will stop the cleaning operation, that is vacuum operation. It will stop and will go to the docking station or charging station and will start charging as its own. We don't need to take the robot from somewhere and place it on top of the charging station. Those things we don't need to do it. It will do as its own. That is why I told you earlier that you have to switch it on and just forget it. This docking station is using some kind of communication, that is I don't know whether it is infrared or any other type of communication, that I am not quite sure. This is the additional pair of front wheel brushes they have given, but the thing is they have given only one. Red color brush they have given to me only one. Green color they missed it. I am not sure why they missed that. I searched and didn't find one additional front wheel brush. Okay, just leave it. And this is the charging cable or charging adapter. The charger is with 19 volt and 0.8 ampere. 0.8 ampere means 800 milliampere. So it is 19 volt. That means this battery pack is using 4S. 4S means 4 batteries, 4 18650 batteries in series. At the starting I have told my friend has this thing and his battery was replaced. That battery pack was using 4S 2600 mAh 18650 battery into 4 numbers in series they are using. So similar thing will be using in this product also. So this battery pack is having 16.8 volt. These are all the things with the main box. We have to fix the side brush. I will clear all those things from my desktop and will start fixing these things. Before that we have to look on the other packet. This is mop cloth. This product not only vacuum the dust particles but also mop the floor using this mop cloth. This is the additional filter for the vacuum purpose. One filter is already fixed inside the robot. That's all inside this box. These things are all empty. This is the reset switch and this is the power switch. You have to press the reset switch when you are connecting your robot with the mobile app for the first time. Also one more thing, when you are charging you have to slide the on off switch to the on position. Then only the battery will charge, otherwise the battery will not charge. This is its trash box. So this you can just press it and slide it open, and all the dust particles that are sucked through here will be kept inside this small box. Every time after your robot clean the floor, you have to clear this trash box manually. This is a small blade that is coming along with this brush. I will explain you the usage of this blade. This side brush and also the main brush or the roller, those will be having while it is cleaning, the hair strands will be locked on it. Long hairs will be locked on it, and it is very difficult to clean it up. So in order to make that process easy, they have provided this blade. We have to lock the hair strand or thread, cloth thread thing, lock those things with this blade and just pull it over, and that will cut the hair strand or cloth thread, and it will be very easy for cleaning. This is a small reservoir. You can see the tap symbol. As I told earlier, this product will mop the floor with the water. So for that purpose, we have to pour some water in this reservoir, and it will be used for mopping the surface using the mop cloth. You have to fill this reservoir with the water and just close it. And also one more thing, after finishing the cleaning process, you have to drain this additional water. If you are keeping the water in this reservoir, what will happen is there are chances that some smell may come from this robot. That white one is the filter, and you have already seen one additional filter they have given along with this product. We have to charge this robot for a few hours, and these are sensors. This is one sensor, 2, 3 and 4. These sensors will help the robot in colliding with the obstacles, or if there is a step or something is there, it will not fall on that step. It will stop there and come backward. These sensors are actually helping this robot for doing that functionality. So make these sensors clean all the time. This is the mop that we have seen it in the other box. We have to fix that mop on the back side of the robot. The water will actually fall from the reservoir to this mop through these holes. These are actually aligned with the holes that are in the mop. You can see 4 holes are available. This mop is actually a washable one. So after cleaning the cleaning process, you can pull it out and wash this mop in manually or in a washing machine. To be frank, I will tell one thing, this mop will become dirty very easily. This is the power on off switch, and the battery will be charging if and only if the switch is in the on position. I have fixed the docking station and now I will switch on the power.
Please switch on the power before charging. Please switch on the power before charging. Starting charging.
Now the battery has started charging. If you are pressing this switch one time, then the robot will clean the entire house automatically. Let us charge this robot for 4 hours.
Starting cleaning.
When you are using this robot for the first time in your home, it will take a lot of time to identify each and every corner of your room. What are the things which are available in a room and where it is placed, and lot of things it will just analyze as itself, and it will, for that it will take a lot of time. For me it took around 2 hours to identify these things and cleaned by entire room. And for the second time it took only 74 minutes to clean the entire home, and the third time it took only 65 minutes to completely clean my home. Watch the front brush, it is actually rotating very slowly. This is because the robot is now searching for the docking station. It is actually going for charging, and it is searching for the docking station. He has no idea about where the docking station is. That is why it will search the entire house for the docking station. Sometimes it will come near to the docking station and move away from the docking station. I am continuing the recording, and I will actually come back when the robot finds the docking station. After 4 minutes it found out the docking station. Now it is moving to the charging.
Starting charging.
After a single full floor cleaning, how much dust it has pulled out from the floor, that I will show you. The thing is, before I start cleaning the floor using this robot, I have swept the floor, mopped it manually, and after drying I started cleaning using this robot. I got this much dust from the floor after the manual cleaning. A few are solid particles, but lot of things are hair and long hair and short hair from my head. A lot of fur like dust. I don't know what its name is and where this thing is coming from. I have cleaned the home morning and evening. Every time I am getting this much dust particles. The solid particles are a bit less, but the hair and this fur like dust, that has the amount is similar. I don't know from where this is coming from through the window or through the door or from the wall. I don't know. So what I recommend is, if you are having an allergic to dust, then you definitely have to buy and use this thing at your home. This will only clean the floor, the wall and the windows. It will not clean it. If you love this unboxing video, then please click like button and also share this to your friends. Please subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this. That will be an encouragement to me for making more things like this to you. This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.